Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to insert multiple pictures in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To insert multiple pictures into a Word document, we go to Insert tab, click the Pictures button and select Insert from this device. Next, we find the folder from which you would like to insert the images, and the next step is to select the images. If you need to insert one picture, we just click on it and click Insert. If you need to insert multiple pictures, then hold down the left mouse button and select the required images from above, below, or all the pictures at once. And if you need to insert images selectively, then hold down the Control button on the keyboard and select the required pictures with the left mouse button. And when the pictures are selected, click Insert. I have all the pictures in HD format and higher, so we can reduce them a little so that all the pictures fit on the same page. And so that the image can be freely moved around the page, click on Layout options and select one of the 6 options, for example in front of text. And now we can freely move the image around the page. And an additional way to insert pictures is to insert using the File Explorer. Find the folder with the pictures, select the pictures using any of the methods described above, then right-click and copy the pictures. Returns to the Word document and simply paste the copied pictures. And that's it. Now you know more.